stand here to inspire all of you that no matter trials and difficulties that came to our way, we can still achieve our dreams. Today, I want to celebrate all working students out there, the embodiment of resilience, determination, and unwavering dreams. Being student is demanding, but working student amplify this challenge, juggling lectures, assignments, and job, often sacrificing sleep. They are barista, tutor, call center agents, and more working student and more working tirelessly to support themselves and their family. They are providers, innovators, and role model. They master time management, develop strong work ethics, and deeply value hard work. Let's not romanticize their struggle. It's not easy, demanding immense sacrifice and impacting well-being. They face unique challenges, balancing work and studies, managing stress and feeling isolated. We must support them all. Their circumstances offer encouragement and provide resources. Let us recognize their grit, their grace, their commitment. They inspire us. Proving is nothing